Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all. How are you? Fine? Yes. All of you ready for English class, right? Shall we start? Okay, before that I will show you the previous letters on the board. Huh? Will you please read all the letters? Yes, look at the board. Yes, what is the first one? See all together. First one. Yes, yum. Correct. What is the sound of yum? The next one. V. Okay, V. V. Right? Yes, V. Then next one. X. That we learned the previous class, right? X. What is the sound of X? X. Okay, we learned that all three in this term book, right? Today we are going to learn another letter, a new letter. Before that I will show you one picture. Okay, look at the screen. Children, what is on the screen? Very beautiful picture, no? What is that? One seashore, right? In the seashore many things are there, no? Can you identify what is that? See, in the water one thing is there and two children are playing with one thing and many other items are there, right? Shall we see one by one? Okay. What is in the water? Sailing. Something is sailing in the water. Yes, what is sailing in the water? Yes, we learn some vehicle sailing in the water, that is water transport, right? Yes. So, can you tell me which vehicle is that? That is yacht. What is it? Yacht. Yacht is sailing in the water, right? Which vehicle is that? Yacht. See, in the seashore, two children are playing, no? Two children are playing with what? With what they are playing? What is in their hand? Yes, with ball they are playing, right? Did you notice what is the color of that ball? What is the color of that ball? Yes, yellow color. That ball in yellow color. They are playing in yellow with yellow color ball, right? Yes. See, what is that under that tree? Under that tree? Yes, one animal is there, no? One black color animal. Which animal is that? Which animal is that? You don't know? Okay, I will tell you. That is yak. That is yak. Which animal is that? Yak. Children, did you notice one more toy is there? One more toy is there. Which toy is that? That is yo-yo. That is yo-yo. You know that, right? That is yo-yo. Children, do you know how to play with that? You don't know? Now I will show you how to play with yo-yo.
All these secrets we swept away.
Okay, see there? Very nice, no? Yes. Okay, what is the next thing? What is the next thing? What is that? Yes, that is yarn. That is yarn. That we get from sheep. You learn that. You learn in the GK class. From sheep we what we'll get? Sheep gives us wool, right? With wool we make woolen clothes. With what? With yarn. For making woolen clothes, we use yarn. Now we saw yacht. Then children are playing with yellow ball. Then one more toy is there, that is yo-yo. And one animal is there, that is yak. Then another thing is yarn. In that corner, what is that? What is that, children, in that corner? One of the vegetable. Do you know that? Which vegetable is that? Okay, that is yam. Yam grows under the soil. What is yam? Did you see that yam in your home? That is chena. Malayalam word chena. Okay. Children, we saw many things, right? In the scenery. Can I bring all them together on the board? Look at the board. Yes, these are the things we saw in the seashore. Okay. First one is, yes, water vehicle. What is that? Yacht. Yacht. Then yellow ball. Yellow ball. Then other one, yo-yo. Yo-yo. Then yarn. Yarn. Then yak. Which animal is that? Yak. And yam. Right? See, all pictures, all the names, pictures names starting with the same letter. Did you notice that with red in color, that all letters in red color, that starting letter? Okay. Do you know which is the letter? What is the letter? That is our new letter on the board. That is on the board. New letter, that is Y. That is Y. Y is our new letter. What is the sound of Y? Yeah. What is it? Yeah. Look at the board. Mama letter Y and baby letter Y. Okay. The sound of Y is ear. Now can I sing a phonic song? Okay, listen. Yak is yawning, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yak is yawning, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yak is yawning, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah is the sound of Y. Yeah is the sound of Y. Okay, what is the sound of Y? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. See the mama letter Y and baby letter Y. Now shall we write this Y? How can we write this Y? All of you look at the board. First one, mama letter Y. See how do we write mama letter Y? One small slanting line and again one big slanting line. Make mama letter Y. Look again. Once more. Okay, clear no? Mama letter Y. Now we want to write baby letter Y. See children, baby letter Y, that comes below 3 lines. Listen, all of you notice that that baby letter Y comes below 3 lines. Okay, now we can see the another type of Y. Look at the board. Just like a mama letter Y. Okay, just like a mama letter Y, but that comes below 3 lines. Okay, below 3 lines. Okay, clear now how to write mama letter Y and baby letter Y. Okay, now we learn. What did we learn today? Yes, our new letter, that is Y. Mama letter Y and baby letter Y. And say the sound of Y. Sound of Y is yeah. What is it? Yeah. And we know how to write mama letter and baby letter. Okay, now we have one song in the textbook. That is very easy song. I think some of them know this song very well. Okay, anyway, shall we sing? Children, see, look at the screen. Yeah, beautiful girl, no? What a beautiful girl it is, right? See her hair. Yeah, curly hair. What is curly? Churundadu, right? Curly hair. Look at her eyes. Very beautiful, no? Yes. See, lovely cheek. Very nice, no? Yeah, totally very beautiful girl. Shall we recite that rhyme? Okay? Ready? Chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too, teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Shall we recite once again? Okay? Chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too, teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Children, try to recite this rhyme, okay? Try to learn this rhyme. It's very easy. Okay, now our chapter is over, not over. One more thing is there, that remember that yellow portion. Here also one yellow column, and there some more words having which letter? Y. You all find out all the Y and underline it. Okay? Okay, this topic is over. We learn letter Y and the sound of Y is here. Okay, shall we wind up today? Now, the next week I will come with another letter. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.